Meaning of denounce.
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 Denounce. Denounce means to publicly condemn or criticize someone or something, often in a formal manner. The act of denouncing can have various outcomes, including tarnishing someone's reputation, leading to legal consequences, or causing social ostracism. When an individual or organization is denounced, it can result in damaged relationships, loss of credibility, and a negative impact on their overall standing within the community. Denouncing can be used as a tool for accountability and justice, but also has the potential to fuel conflict and create division.